Hi there, I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. Welcome back to my channel. I have mail. Ta-da! This is a Creative Notion subscription box. It's a noisy one. Let me open this up. I have never been shy about my love of Creative Notions. They're a good company, also woman-owned, and it is a project in a box every single month. Came in this cute little bag right here. I have a feeling it's very wintry themed, and this little sticker on here says let it snow, but this is, I mean, like my hand is like that thick. Like there's a bunch of stuff in this box. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dive into it because honestly, I can see something like really cute in here. Let me see if I can, well, actually, never mind. We're just gonna pull it out because this is what, like, that box had some weight to it, right? And this is what I'm pulling out. Do you guys see these gorgeous scissors? And they're engraved with like the Creative Notions logo on them. These have Kristen written all over them. These are nice scissors. Okay. Like I said, getting ahead of myself, I need to backtrack just a little bit and see if I can find the little paper that shows what it is we're doing. Okay, I also knocked out of the bag this kiwi lime water flavor packet, which is a fun little treat to keep in my sewing snacks. And this is the paper right here that we've been looking for. All right, so let's go over this real quick. What is included in the bag is a total of $83 worth of stuff. It is always a really good value for what you're getting, but it is always a surprise what you're getting. I have no idea what's coming in these. So it is really a surprise every single month when I get this bag, okay? It's always good, it's always amazing quality, and it's always fun projects, but it's a surprise. Inside this kit, we have a Baby It's Cold Outside quilt kit. We have Creative Notions dressmaker scissors. We have a Baby It's Cold Outside pattern. We have a Clover large yo-yo maker. We have a barn quilt magnet. We have a Barn Star block of the month pattern. And oh my gosh, this pattern is adorable. Let's look at the other stuff. So this also has already fallen out. So this is the 3-inch magnet. This is the Lone Star. So this is a Barn Star quilt magnet. It's a nice metal magnet that is going to go probably, it's gonna stay here in my sewing room. I'm gonna have to figure out something magnetic to do it on. This is the lovely Baby It's Cold Outside pattern, an adorable snowman with a cute little blanket wrapped around him. That looks like something that it looks like what I wear around in the wintertime. So we have a pack of charm squares here that is included. All of this is what goes into the making of the top of this quilt, okay? I'm guessing this is nose fabric. It's just one tiny little piece of orange cotton, as well as like eyeball and coal. And then this purple, I'm not sure what the purple goes to. Maybe his hat, I don't know. But so we have a couple things of fabric there, as well as background fabric. I think that's all of the fabric that we have. We have some heat and bond that goes with this, so it's probably some applique. I've not looked at the pattern, so I don't know exactly how this comes together, but I'm guessing there's some applique, and heat and bond is an amazing product, so we have a little sample of that to use on this pattern. With the Creative Notions boxes, you also get every single month, you get a cute little recipe that is submitted by other subscribers to the boxes. So if you're a subscriber to this box, you can submit a recipe, and every month the owner of the company picks one to send out and share with all of the others. So you get to build up a stack of recipe cards too that are from quilters all over. All right, and this right here, I have no idea what this is. I gotta admit, I'm not really a huge yo-yo fan. I don't have anything against yo-yos in quilts and stuff. They just seem like they would be rather hard to do and time consuming and not exactly my thing. But this is a yo-yo maker, okay? So here's what it is. If you are into yo-yos, You may want to Google this and see if you can find it on Amazon or on the Creative Notions website as one of their products that they offer. I've never seen this before. I have no idea what it is, but perhaps yo-yos is something that I will get into eventually. And when I do, I will have a large size yo-yo maker to do it. So that's fun. Always something fun and new to explore. And then we also have, which got a little bit crumpled because our mailbox is kind of small and they just cram it in there. We got a pattern for a block of the month, the Lone Star quilt pattern. Did you see that? Look, that matches the magnet that I got. How cute is that? And then we also got this Amish star pattern here. Now these patterns are very detailed. They show you step by step visually how the blocks come together, as well as really, really good instructions. So if you're looking for a box, a subscription box rather, that has like pieces to a project, and then a little bit more, like something to kind of like, okay, now what do I want to do? Kind of a side project. That's what this is. This is a side quest. This is a Creative Notions side quest. You want to make a snowman? Awesome. Here's your fabric to make a snowman. Want to make some yo-yos? We can do that for you too. This is your side quest. Figure out, Kristen, how to make a fabric yo-yo. And then look at this. Can you see this cute little bag here that's on the pattern, or I mean on the paper that goes right there? That is adorable. So like here, that's inspirational. You can make that. But it has these instructions on the back on how this actually works. I've just never seen anything like this before, but it's a side quest for me. So all of these things come in this box ready for you to make, and then a little bit more. So that is from Creative Notions. If you are interested in subscribing to their box, make sure you check out the information in the description box down below. I've got a link down there so that you can subscribe to their boxes. It's an amazing company and amazing products. They also ship internationally. So make sure you check out that link and show the company some love. Make sure you tell them that Kristen from Icy Stars Quilting sent you, because I am a huge fan of Creative Notions. I love their products, and oh my gosh. Thank you for these rainbow scissors, because this is fantastic. I love them so, so much. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you soon. I'm Kristen with IcyStarsQuilting.com. Have a great day.